Multi-information display. The multi-information display in your Lexus provides access to a variety of vehicle data. Using these buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can control the multi-information display. Pressing the Home button slides the instrument cluster to the right, revealing the multi-information display, or MID. The arrow buttons let you change pages or categories by pressing left or right. Pressing up or down lets you scroll through the information on each page. Pressing the OK button in the center selects it or enters an adjustment. The back arrow takes you back to the previous page. Use the right or left arrow button to select Drive Information. The Drive Information page displays current MPG and MPG after reset, range and average speed after reset, eco indicator, engine oil temperature, G-force indicator, gear position, sway warning, tire pressure, and blank. If you would like to reset current fuel consumption or MPG after restart, press and hold the OK button. The navigation icon allows you to view your direction of travel or the route guidance from the system. It may also display the street you're currently on. The audio icon will display what's playing. Pressing the OK button accesses the available audio sources. Use the up and down arrows to scroll through them. And use the OK button to select one. Selecting a radio source will display your presets. Press the right arrow to go to the Driving Assist System icon, where the operational status of Dynamic Radar Cruise Control and Lane Departure Alert will be displayed. The Warning Message icon displays warning messages and instructions if a malfunction is detected. And the Vehicle Settings or Gear icon allows you to customize the settings for some of the vehicle's features. These vary by model and packaging. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab. Then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your Technology Quick Guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.